Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a smoky eye tutorial, smoky eye which has both brown and black and which is not very dark. That is something which you can put up during the daytime as well. Today right now I have it on my eyes and I think it's not looking very bright. As you can see, it's not something that you cannot put up during the daytime. You can definitely do it in the daytime as well. And I've done this makeup, like eye makeup, using this Makeup Revolution Iconic 1 palette. This is very affordable and Nika is recently having a sale. It's going on today. I think you'll get this on a discount, and this is very affordable and it's a very nice quality product. So I did this eye makeup using this palette. So yeah, I hope you'll enjoy this smoky eye tutorial, and if you like it, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.